Hey everyone, Alan here, back at the creek again. Little before work fishing. So weather's starting to definitely warm up. It's very comfortable out. We have a little fog, but overall it's pretty darn nice. So we're gonna try to take advantage of this and see if we can get some topwater bite going on here first thing in the morning, since we have some bugs popping. So hopefully we have some luck. So let's go fishing. Oh, got one. All right. Get him in. All right. He's just what we don't even need the net for him. All right, not a big one, but it's the first fish. Get us started. All right. Alright, first fish of the morning. He's alright. Oh, we got one. We got one. I think it's a rock bass. Yes, it is. Ooh, come on, buddy. Man, he choked that. He choked that. Come on, buddy, I gotta get the hook out here for you. I'm telling you right now, that worm was all but the whole way in his stomach. But nice rock bass, and he's nice and fat. All right. We got one. We got one. All right. I think it's another rock bass. I have to believe it is. It is. Okay. Another rock bass. All right. Look at the size of these. Look at the size of these rock bass here. Good looking fish. Real good looking fish. Got one. Got one. He's another rock bass. Gotta be. Yep. He's the smallest one today. Man, he choked that. So, another little rock bass. They're loving this warm. I don't think you get much smaller than that are gonna be able to hit this thing. Got him. Got him. Pretty sure it's another rock bass. What do you know? What do you know? Another rock bass. Those things are hitting hard this morning.